Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin.
All right, guys, check this out. I got a hot car here for you today. We're looking at a 2020 wide-body Charger Hellcat. This is a one-owner car with just over 1,100 miles on it. Guys, check out the colors on this thing. It's absolutely beautiful, interior and exterior. For the full write-up description, you can visit volocars.com. There you'll see my full write-up on not only this car, we have a few hundred of both modern muscle and classic cars. You can see the full photo shoots. Again, visit volocars.com. If you enjoy this video, make sure you give it a subscribe. Click on that bell icon, that way you get notified every time a new video gets posted. But like Jay says, join me, let's go for a spin. All right, 2020 Charger Hellcat wide body. That is a separate package, guys. It's an additional package on top of the Hellcat version. But it's going to start out with the extended flares on here. If you come to the rear, now you are getting the widened 20 by 11 wheels in the back. These are painted in, it almost looks like a gunmetal gray, but it has some flake in it. It's a matte color, but it does have some sparkle in it still. Shines real nicely. Part of the wide body, or the Hellcat kit, is the rear spoiler. And you do get that bottom rear diffuser. This is just a matte finish on it. Kind of breaks away from the red. Speaking about the red, guys, this is octane red. This color is absolutely gorgeous. Sparkles in the sunlight, even if you can see it when the light hits it. There's just this super deep, wet, metallic look to it. I can't get over the color of this car. It's probably one of my favorites in this showroom. Coming around to the side. Again, with all this horsepower, you get 707 to be exact, you need some stopping power. They give you the red Brembo brakes. They're 4-piston in the rear, 6-piston up front. There is a 2-piece dual slotted rotor. Again, helps keeping them cool, helps stop it on a dime. Also part of the performance package is the active suspension underneath. It is going to change the dampening system depending on what mode you're driving this car in. There is the dual stainless exhaust. This thing has some really nice features in it, like an engine block heater. It also has line lock, launch control in it for when you're having fun. Of course, track use only, guys. There also, let's see, what else does it have? Electronic limited rear slip differential. Coming around to the side. Obviously, you get those Hell Kitty badges to let everyone know you got some power packed in this Charger. Really love that they did the Chargers in a 4-door. You could take your whole family in it and still have some fun. All right, now coming around to the rear of the car, you get some nice LED taillights. Guys, look at that. It goes all the way across. That's a really slick feature, I think. Really distinguishes the rear end on it. You also are going to have that SRT badging. Now you can open the trunk by remote. Oh, there is a backup camera, by the way. Trunk opens by remote. I do have a nice car cover in here. There's also a cargo net underneath. Now you don't have a spare tire, but the battery is in the rear here. There's a front license plate bracket and a fix-a-flat with an air pump on it. Come around to the front. Now the engine bay does not open by remote, guys. You still have to go in. Here. The front, it has functional ram air with a heat diffuser on the hood here. All that power, you're going to need to keep this engine cool. Okay. Now, guys, coming into the engine bay here, Dodge does a really nice job tying in everything. They make it simple here. There's not a bunch of wires all over. It's a very clean look on it. Of course, my favorite part, you got supercharger right on top, guys. This is Dodge's 6.2 liter Hemi V8. This is packing up to 707 horsepower. You can also put it in a lower driver mode. It gives it about mid 500s horsepower, but that red key really unlocks all the horsepower. Again, this car only has 1,100 miles on it, guys. Everything is like brand spanking new. It's super clean. We had this car detailed. It really didn't need much, but everything is in like new condition. All right, guys, let's check out the interior now. All right, guys, I absolutely love the way Dodge designed the interior in here. Everything's nice and functional. It flows really nicely together. Again, 1,100 miles. Everything's like new. The dash, you got this nice soft leather with the white stitching on it. That's all nice. There's no cracks, no signs of wear anywhere. They do a really nice carbon fiber trim around the dash here. It is on the center console bezel as well. Kind of breaks apart the interior. Now the leather, guys, this is where those added options come into play. Really brings out the color on this car. It makes it the two-tone. It pops. It's really, really nice. This is a sepia brown Laguna leather. This was an added option on top of the interior package. Try to get some of the accessory modes popped up here. Now the dash, everything's very customizable, guys. This all changes depending on what mode you're in. You can control everything from your heated steering wheel to your heated and cooled seats, both the driver and passenger. You do have Dodge's Uconnect infotainment system. You can connect your phone. Very easy, user-friendly to use. You're going to go into different modes here. Let's see. Have to turn it into run now. This is my favorite part of the interior. When you guys use the red key, this unlocks all 707 horsepower, guys. That'll put it in SRT mode. It'll give you the setup. You can change it from track mode to sport mode to street mode. There's also custom modes you can change it to. So it's all very interchangeable. Lots of fun. The steering wheel, also nice and simple. There is added options on here. You can scroll through the menu. You can pick up and hang up on your phone calls. That way you're not distracted moving around when you're driving. The transmission, it is auto, but you can select manual, and it gives you these nice paddle shifters right on the steering wheel here. It's nice and comfy, easy grip, fits your fingers really nicely. It flows really nicely together. The steering wheel is also leather. Again, everything, it's nice and new. There's no wear, not even on top. It's not dirty at all. It is heated as well, so that's a plus. All right, coming down to the center dash. Again, you can change your different modes from here. So you can do it from your screen. You can do it down here. You have your SRT mode. You got launch. There is parking sensors, guys. You do want to be careful when you're parking this beauty. You don't want to scratch it. And then, of course, if you want to have fun, you turn off that traction control. You're also going to have that dual climate control down here. Yeah, everything's really nice. There's plenty of storage, guys. Even on the sides of the doors, you're going to have some cup holders here, little storage containers, both sides. That way your drink's not going to spill. Center console's nice and deep. You got a spot to plug in your aux cables and your phone cables. That way you can charge your phone or plug it into the system. Really, really nicely done. Oh, this also has a sunroof, guys. That's an added option. Not every Hellcat has it. There's spots here you can program your garage doors to. That way you don't have to have anything hanging from your visor. Even a sunglasses holder. That's a nice touch. Now, guys, what really adds to this Hellcat is the interior option on it. Look at this color. It's beautiful. It's finished in a Laguna premium leather. Look, there's even the original leather care guide hang tag here showing they're hand built out of Detroit, Michigan. This has the Elmo Laguna leather on it. The rear seats are heated. That's a nice touch. There are controls on that rear console. The fronts are heated and cooled, guys. So not only do you get heated seats for when it's cold out, you also get air-conditioned seats, so you're not sweating your butt off when you're racing down the track. Awesome, awesome feature on this car. There you have it, guys. That was my impression of our 2020 Charger Widebody Hellcat. If you enjoyed our video, again, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that bell icon. That way you get notified every time a new video gets posted. If you're interested in purchasing this car, you can call, ask for me. I'm here all the time. I can give you more information if you need it. I can set you up with financing, shipping, whatever you need. I'll get this delivered right to your door, super easy. You can visit, again, volocars.com. All right, thanks guys.